Hello, today we are going to show you how to use this cloud coverage tool called Coveralls. The first thing that you do is you go onto the coveralls.io webpage and you can sign in with your GitHub Bitbucket ID. So I'm going to sign in with my GitHub account right now. And now any repositories that you have connected with Coveralls will show up here. So currently I have not connected any repositories. So I will go ahead and add a repository. We've created this basic Node.js app which uses Mocha and Chai as testing frameworks and Istanbul to generate the coverage reports, and that coverage report will be sent to Coveralls. And this page shows with a token which we'll be using in some time. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you the code. The app is a pretty simple app. It just converts RGB to hex, hex to RGB, Fahrenheit to Celsius, and Celsius to Fahrenheit. And we have already written tests for this application. So you have RGB to hexadecimal conversion, back to hexadecimal from RGB, then you have Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to break a test so that we can get the coverage results, not 100%, but still we can send it to the Coveralls API. So now I'm inside this repo. I add the repository to GitHub and commit. Push the repo. Now let me go ahead and show you the package.json. Here, as you can see, that there are two scripts. First is test, which will just create an HTML report and report the coverage in the form of text. Here we are using NYC or Istanbul and Mocha. Coverage command will take the LCOV report that has been generated by Istanbul and send it to the Coveralls service. But before we send it to the Coveralls service, we have to connect our command line to the Coveralls service. So we use this token that they're provided and have a command line variables called Coveralls repo token. So now we can go ahead and run npm test first so that I can show you the text coverage that has been generated. So as you can see, it's less than 100%. Now I run npm run coverage. So that has executed successfully, and if I refresh the page, you can see that the coverage report is 94% and it shows the relevant lines uncovered. And if you click on the file, it will show you exactly which line has not been covered, which is line number 21. So now let me go back and uncommit the tests so I can show you successfully executing 100% coverage. I'll add it to repository, committed. And now I will run npm test again, just as a sanity check to see if you're getting 100% coverage, and we are. Now, so I'll run npm run coverage to send this report to Coveralls. Refreshing the page. You'll see that the graph has risen and now we are at 100% coverage. So this is just a basic overview of how to set up coveralls and how to integrate it with your command line. You could also do it with Travis CI. That is just enabling the repo on Travis CI and having a travis.yml with an after success call to npm run coverage, and travis.ci will automatically send your coverage information to this coveralls tool only if you have enabled the same repo to coveralls as well. Thank you.